Today, in this video, we are going to learn about 30 amazing industrial machines that changed history, great engineering marvels. Introduction. From giant steam engines to precision machine tools, industrial machines have transformed the way the world builds, manufactures, and innovates. These remarkable engineering achievements powered the Industrial Revolution and laid the foundation for modern industry. In this documentary, discover 30 amazing machines whose inventions changed history and continue to influence engineering today. 1. Milling machine, United States. Year: 1818. A milling machine uses rotating cutting tools to remove material from a workpiece with high precision. It is widely used for manufacturing machine parts, molds, and industrial components. 2. Grinding machine, Germany. Year: 1874. A grinding machine removes small amounts of material using an abrasive wheel to achieve a smooth surface finish. It is essential for precision engineering and tool sharpening. 3. Shaper machine, United Kingdom. Year: 1836. A shaper machine produces flat surfaces, slots, and keyways by moving a cutting tool back and forth. It became one of the earliest machine tools used in metalworking industries. 4. Planer machine, United Kingdom. Year: 1817. A planer machine machines large flat surfaces by moving the workpiece beneath a stationary cutting tool. It is commonly used for heavy engineering and large industrial components. 5. Slotting machine, United Kingdom. Year: 1860. A slotting machine is designed to cut internal slots, grooves, and keyways in metal parts. Its vertical reciprocating motion makes it ideal for precision internal machining. 6. CNC machine, United States. Year: 1952. A CNC computer numerical control machine automates machining operations using programmed computer instructions. It delivers high accuracy, repeatability, and efficiency in modern manufacturing. 7. Lathe machine, United Kingdom. Year: 1797. A lathe machine rotates a workpiece while cutting tools shape it into cylindrical forms. Often called the mother of machine tools, it is fundamental to mechanical engineering. 8. Injection molding machine, United States. Year: 1872. An injection molding machine manufactures plastic products by injecting molten material into a mold. It is widely used to produce automotive parts, containers, and household goods. 9. Printing press machine, Germany. Year: 1450. The printing press revolutionized communication by enabling the mass production of books and documents. It transformed education, science, and the spread of knowledge across the world. 10. Steam engine, United Kingdom. Year: 1712. The steam engine converts steam pressure into mechanical power for driving machinery and locomotives. It played a central role in the Industrial Revolution and modern industry. 11. Internal combustion engine, Germany. Year: 1876. An internal combustion engine generates power by burning fuel inside its cylinders. It became the foundation of automobiles, trucks, aircraft, and countless industrial machines. 12. Gas turbine engine, United Kingdom. Year: 1930. A gas turbine engine produces power through continuous combustion and high-speed rotating turbine blades. It is widely used in jet aircraft, ships, and power generation plants. 13. Water turbine engine, France. Year: 1827. A water turbine converts the energy of flowing or falling water into mechanical power. It remains one of the world's most efficient and environmentally friendly sources of renewable electricity. 14. Drilling machine, United States. Year, 1860. A drilling machine is used to create precise holes in metal, wood, and other materials using a rotating drill bit. It is one of the most common machine tools found in workshops and factories. 15. Hydraulic press, United Kingdom. Year, 1795. A hydraulic press uses fluid pressure to generate immense compressive force for shaping, forging, and pressing materials. It is widely used in metalworking, automotive, and manufacturing industries. 16. Power press, United States. Year, 1890. A power press cuts, punches, bends, and shapes sheet metal using mechanical force. It is essential for mass production of metal components and industrial products. 17. Rolling machine, United Kingdom. Year, 1783. A rolling machine forms metal sheets and plates by passing them through rotating rollers. It is widely used in steel mills and fabrication industries to produce uniform thickness. 18. Welding machine, Russia. Year, 1881. A welding machine joins metal parts by generating intense heat through electric current or gas flame. It is indispensable in construction, shipbuilding, automotive, and heavy engineering. 19. Air compressor, United Kingdom. Year, 1829. An air compressor converts mechanical energy into compressed air for powering pneumatic tools and industrial equipment. It is commonly used in workshops, factories, and construction sites. 20. Forklift truck, United States. Year, 1917. A forklift truck is designed to lift, transport, and stack heavy materials safely within warehouses and factories. It greatly improves efficiency in logistics and material handling operations. 21. Tower crane, Germany. Year, 1913. A tower crane is used to lift heavy construction materials to great heights with precision. It is an essential machine for constructing skyscrapers, bridges, and large infrastructure projects. 22. Excavator, United States. Year, 1835. An excavator is a heavy construction machine used for digging, trenching, demolition, and material handling. Its hydraulic arm provides powerful and versatile earth-moving capabilities. 23. Bulldozer, United States. Year, 1923. A bulldozer is equipped with a large front blade for pushing soil, rocks, and debris during construction. It is widely used in mining, road building, and land clearing projects. 24. Backhoe loader, United Kingdom. Year, 1953. A backhoe loader combines a front loader with a rear excavating arm for versatile construction work. It is commonly used for digging, loading, trenching, and utility maintenance. 25. Road roller, France. Year, 1860. A road roller compacts soil, gravel, asphalt, and concrete to create strong and smooth road surfaces. It is a vital machine in highway and infrastructure construction projects. 26. Concrete mixer, Germany. Year, 1900. A concrete mixer combines cement, sand, aggregate, and water into a uniform concrete mixture. It ensures consistent quality for building foundations, roads, and structural works. 27. Dump truck, United States. Year, 1910. A dump truck transports and unloads large quantities of sand, gravel, soil, and construction materials. Its hydraulic tipping mechanism allows quick and efficient unloading. 28. Industrial robot arm, Japan. Year, 1961. An industrial robot arm performs automated tasks such as welding, assembly, painting, and material handling with exceptional precision. It has become a cornerstone of modern automated manufacturing. '29. Wind turbine, Denmark, year, 1891. A wind turbine converts the kinetic energy of wind into clean electrical power using rotating blades and a generator. It is one of the world's leading renewable energy technologies. '30. Shearing machine, United States. Year, 1905. A shearing machine cuts metal sheets into precise sizes using straight blades and high mechanical force. It is widely used in sheet metal fabrication and industrial manufacturing. Conclusion. The machines featured in this documentary represent some of humanity's greatest engineering accomplishments, driving progress across manufacturing, transportation, and construction. Their innovations increased productivity, improved precision, and shaped the modern industrial world. Their legacy continues to inspire engineers and inventors as technology advances into the future.
These videos are not only for the current generation. They are a humble effort to preserve knowledge, history, science, and human achievements for future generations. Thank you to everyone who supports and encourages this journey of building a digital library of learning for tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the LSKSM Vlogs channel, like, comment, and share it to help pass on knowledge to future generations. Your support and encouragement mean a lot to us. G. Sobhanadri Rao, LSKSM Vlogs.